Hello and welcome back to another video on my YouTube. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Olympiad exponential. We already know that 2 to the power of a is equal to 3 to the power of b, and we must find out the value in terms of numerical what 16 to the power of a plus b over b is equal to. So where do we begin? We're going to be using a substitution method, so we'll use what we already know and substitute it back into 16 to the power of a plus b over b. So to make things quite easy and get one numerical value on one hand side, we'll put everything to the power of 1 over b. So we get this: 2 to the power of a to the power of 1 over b is equal to 3 to the power of b to the power of 1 over b. And using this rule here, we can just multiply the indices together from inside and outside the brackets to get 2 to the power of a over b is equal to 3, because the b and its reciprocal cancel out. So we need to keep this in mind, hence why it's in a black box. Now we'll move on to 16 to the power of a plus b over b, and we can rearrange and simplify it. Using this rule, we know that the b's can cancel out whilst keeping the fraction the same with a over b. So we get this: 16 to the power of a over b plus 1, but 16 to the power of 1 is simply 16, so we can separate the 16 a over b and the 16. But we also know that 16 is equal to 2 to the power of 4, so how can this be useful? I think it can be useful for the 16 to the power of a over b, so we can try and get a 2 to the power of a over b, and that is equal to 3, as we found out earlier. So if we replace 16 with 2 to the power of 4, we get 2 to the power of 4 to the power of a over b, but because indice multiplication is commutative, we can simply swap them around, and we have a 2 to the power of a over b. And guess what that is equal to? It's equal to 3. And so we can replace 2 to the power of a over b with 3 in the equation to get 3 to the power of 4 multiplied by 16. 3 to the power of 4 is 3 times 3, 9, times 3 again, 27, multiply 3 for a final time to get 81. So the final answer is 81 multiplied by 16, which is 1296. So thank you for watching this video today. It's quite a simple answer in the end, but the multiplication was quite difficult. But anyway, I'll see you next time.